Let's now go to pathology of Qi mechanism. Let's discuss entering and exiting of Qi in membranes or Huang. Huang literally means membranes, and it refers to membranes which cover the whole body with a superficial layer below the skin and an inner layer. Membranes have the function of wrapping and anchoring the organs, muscles, and bones, and of connecting the organs among themselves. Membranes are found only in the abdomen, and they broadly correspond to the fascia, the superficial and deep, the peritoneum, mesenterium, and omentum. The stroma, that is the framework of connective tissue or organs, is also an example of membranes. Proper entering and exiting of qi in and out of the membranes ensures a smooth circulation of qi in the abdomen and also a smooth metabolism of fluids. In pathology, if there is excessive exiting of qi, there will be stagnation of qi in the membranes, resulting in abdominal distension and pain. If there is excessive entering of qi, there will be a deficiency and possibly sinking of qi with a slackening of the membranes and possibly edema. The pathology of rebellious qi in the penetrating vessel or Chiang Mai is a disruption of the entering and exiting of qi in and out of the membranes of the abdomen. To summarize, the membranes are the fascia, peritoneum, mesenterium, omentum, and stroma. The entering exiting of qi in the membranes ensures smooth movement of qi in the abdomen and contributes to a healthy fluid metabolism. Excessive entering of qi in the membranes will cause qi stagnation in the abdomen. Excessive entering of qi in the membranes will cause slackening of abdominal muscles and edema. Thank you for your attention.